Tonight, Santa flies into a blizzard that shouldn't exist. But the storm isn't the real problem. Tommy is a lonely boy who learned to act tough just to be seen, and one wrong button could bring the whole sleigh down. On Christmas night, a strange storm is swallowing the sky, and in the middle of it, Santa isn't just saving Christmas. He's trying to save a little boy.
Hold on, Tommy.
I'm sorry.
But the scariest thing isn't the storm. It's the question, why is Tommy here? It started a few hours earlier, in a very normal house. And a boy who believed no one was listening.
I hate Christmas.
Tommy doesn't hate the tree. He doesn't hate gifts. Tommy hates the feeling of being invisible. Some kids don't know how to say, "I'm sad." They only know how to get loud.
Nobody listens to me. If Santa were real, he wouldn't come anyway.
Then Tommy does something childish, but deeply desperate. A harmless little trap, just to keep Santa from leaving. Just to ask one question. Why didn't you come sooner?
If I catch Santa, I'm going to make him answer me.
Then it happens. Just a soft shadow and a tiny jingle in the air.
He's real.
Hello, little home.
Santa steps in with snow on his beard. Like the night followed him inside. Tommy expects a lecture. He expects Santa to leave the second it gets uncomfortable.
I know you're there.
Who are you?
I am Santa, and I've come to listen to you.
Listen, if you hear everything, why didn't you come sooner?
That question is a door. Behind it is the truth. I waited, I hoped, and I got tired of hoping.
I'm sorry you had to wait.
I don't need gifts.
Tommy says it like a weapon, but his eyes say something else.
Then I won't give gifts. I'll just sit here for 8 seconds.
8 seconds doesn't sound like much. But to a child who expects people to leave, it can feel like a miracle. Tommy tests him anyway.
You will leave too.
Santa answers the fear, not the attitude.
I only leave when you tell me to.
Outside, the wind starts to build quietly, like a warning. Tommy notices a strange glow, something not from this house. The harness bells twitch like the sky senses trouble.
What is that?
Just luck. Don't touch.
Tommy wants control more than he wants answers.
I just want to try. A little.
One finger, one choice, one mistake. Santa turns fast, controlled, but serious.
Tommy.
The sky darkens, heavy and sudden. Tommy tries to hide inside a half sentence.
I just...
Santa names the problem, not the boy.
You locked the flight system?
Santa gives Tommy responsibility instead of shame.
Come with me. I won't scold you. I need you to fix it.
The door opens, warm light meets brutal cold.
On thing 5, the scared.
Santa makes space for fear, but not for hiding.
Being scared is normal, but hiding won't fix it.
Santa brings Tommy into the sleigh into the consequence.
Sit close to me.
The team lifts off, bells sinking like a single pulse. Tommy asks for a way out. Santa offers a way through.
Can I stop it?
Yes, we have to do it.
The reins pull tight, every inch says, hurry. Santa turns panic into steps.
Look at me. Breathe, then flip the safety switch to the right.
Tommy tries anyway, shaking but present.
I am doing it. It's not working.
Do it again. Slowly.
A crack of light appears just enough to believe. Santa guides, then lets go so the wind belongs to Tommy.
I am here. You do it.
Done.
The storm thins. The town lights return below.
Good. You fixed it.
Santa's smile is quite proud without pressure.
I'm sorry. I didn't want to ruin Christmas.
They cross the aurora magic, finally gentle. And then, finally Tommy spoke the truth.
B, I just wanted Santa to notice.
I am listening.
Some confessions don't need long explanations.
Then help me deliver a gift.
To who?
Santa doesn't turn Tommy into a good kid overnight. He turns Tommy into someone useful. On another rooftop, the night is so quiet you can hear the snow.
Easy.
Okay.
Tommy finally understands what his anger was really doing.
I thought annoying people would make them notice, but it only made me lonelier.
Santa isn't asking for perfection, only truth and repair.
I don't need you perfect. I need you honest and willing to make it right.
He gives Tommy a tiny bell, not to play with, to remember.
When you feel like messing up, shake this bell. It reminds you to pause for one beat.
I promise.
And when they sit together in the sleigh again, the snow sparkles like it's breathing.
Thank you for not leaving.
Christmas always gives a chance to start again.
And sometimes, the greatest magic isn't the gift. It's someone who stayed long enough for a child to learn how to stay with himself.
I thought being annoying would make people notice me, but it only made me lonelier. Now I'll be honest, pause and fix what I break.